Hi, in this video I will show you how to use a new Zoom Whiteboard. Zoom Whiteboard provides customers a set of easy to use tools to collaborate together to capture ideas, processes, and concepts. With features focused on fostering innovation, Zoom Whiteboard makes it simple for hybrid teams to interact in new ways for seamless collaboration. So, first you need to open your Zoom app, then go to and create a new meeting. Okay, then click on start, the blue button. Alright, then go into share, documents, then click on whiteboard. Here you can find it. Alright, so now you select the all whiteboards, then click on new whiteboard. Alright, so now you can use that tool by typing with your mouse, and also you can choose text and type by your keyboard. Also, there are too much tools to be used in the whiteboard on Zoom. Okay guys, that's the video. I hope you find that video helpful. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video.